Welcome to Strickland Farms.
What's up there, YouTube? Welcome back to Strickland Farms. Appreciate y'all clicking on the video. If you would, subscribe, click the thumbs up. That'd help us out a lot. On today's video, we have finished hauling all the good hay home that I want in the chicken houses stored out of the weather. So I'm going to take a break and just go ahead and knock out. Me and Dad's going to put everything away in the chicken houses, the barns, where they go. That way, if it does happen to rain, which there's no forecast of it, you know, everything's put away. I still lack, I think, about 100 bales to haul, but it's stuff that I don't mind getting wet. It's going straight to my cows. It's got weeds in it, so that's what we're going to be doing today. At the end of the video today, my lead man gave me a one of those metal carports, and so I'm going to throw some footage of us, time-lapse of us tearing it down and hauling it home. So I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Hey, William's been on an adventure today. What we been doing today, William?
Taking down a shed.
We took down a carport. My lead man from work gave me a carport if I come tear it down, so we went and tore that. Then what we do?
Then we went to go eat at Nate's.
Yeah. Who'd we see at Nate's? We saw Flo from the Progressive insurance commercials. So William got his picture made with her. So we're not going to put the carport up this afternoon. I don't know when we'll do it. I got to get back to moving hay. Still got about 100 bales that's got to come home. So just want to give you all a little update. I did a time lapse on tearing it down. Oh, whoops. I did a time lapse on taking the carport down. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. If it's pretty good, I'll put it in the video. Appreciate y'all watching.
There's Bubba with the shed, whatever you call it. There's him in his
Carport, it's a carport, not a shed.
Yeah.
It don't matter. It don't matter. It's whatever you want to call it.
Where is he? He's right there. Daddy, your windshield is messy.